So let's see how to adjust it. You notice it's just not closing just how you might want it to. So if you've left these plugs out and waited till the next day, you might say, I want to put a little more tension on that. That's just not enough. There's no spring noise coming out of this, by the way, guys. So we're going to close it all the way up. You're going to put your bar in here by screwing it in. This is your adjustment bar. This comes with the door closer. You just pull it just a little more. Now, the springs are seating themselves in there a little bit. That's why you heard that noise. Don't be worried about that. You really don't need this extra tension. I'm just showing you how to do it. I liked the tension that was on it. Now you want to set this screw all the way in. There, now I have more tension. You really don't want any more tension than that. These two springs really aren't made to be cranked so hard. It says that in the directions. Now let's see. They're gonna, whoa, see, that's crazy. You don't want that much tension. But if you want to get crazy, you can. One more twist made it do that. So let's get rid of that extra tension. And I would not do that. I'd put it on the first adjustment, the very first hole first. Wait, I think I need to go right back here. I need to get out of its way. This is where I'm going to put this bar next. So I'm going to be back here. Now I pull this back. And I stick this right here. All the way in. You don't have to crank it with a wrench, but you need to put it all the way in. You don't want that wobbling. See, that comes with it. You want to keep this in your little junk drawer. But watch. It closes perfect. You don't want it crazy slamming. And if you do need to put some cushion on your stop, Pemco makes the S88. It is so cool. I'll put that down in the description. Everybody's asked about that. What do you use? And use the Pemco S88. You can get that from Amazon as well. Sticks right on the jamb, and it'll cushion the slam if you're getting a slam. So after a few days or a week, you can put in the little plugs, the plastic plugs. They just push right in these holes. But like I say, once you pushed them in, you can't really get them out without digging them out. I mean, these aren't as bad as the white ones. The white ones I had, man, well, maybe they are. Yeah, there we have it. We have them all in. Now you're going to want to turn here like this. There's going to be one more hole right there. Just stick that in like that. Look how beautiful that is. Isn't that nice? Please tell your friends about the Gookyo door closer from Amazon. A great buy for 17 bucks. I have no affiliation with them, but this is my tip for the day. Door and Lock Tips is highly suggesting the Gookyo door closer. Yeah. Great door closer.